What sticker are you going to put on the camcorder?
Oh my gosh. I'm thinking about putting this, but I'm not sure.
It's whatever makes you happy.
Yeah, that's true. It makes it kind of more of a toy.
It does look like a toy.
It was the last couple days of rain, and May planned a fun day for us. It was a perfect opportunity for me to test my camcorder that just came in. Number 15. Ooh, Avatar.
Is it a grown-up movie?
It's a teenager and grown-up movie.
We're all the way
On the back.
5, 6, 7. I thought the storyline was really good. Overall, it felt like a message to say, just enjoy the life that you have and be with the people that are your friends and your family.
It had characters that you like. It had action, comedy. It had a different style of animation in a way. Overall, of course, a great story. And yeah, I enjoyed it.
That's hot. I want to pull this down. Oh, turn this tea into fog. Oops, fog. Rice is dry.
Why are you whispering?
The rice is dry. Oh my God. I'm not warmed up yet.
Good job, buddy.
Good job, babe. High five. That's so soft. So soft. Gotta get the momentum. Good job. Do I have an itch to bowl more? Nah. It did feel good to get the 2 strikes that I got. Yeah, but you got a spare? May got lots of spares. And you got 1 strike too, right, babe?
Right at my last 10th bowl,
10th frame, yeah.
the machine, the alley shut down on me.
Yeah, we reached our time limit. So yeah, we had a really good time, and I really like the camcorder. The extra zoom lets me get that telescoping, flatter image that I really like.
To me, it feels more nostalgic.
Yeah, it's like old school. I'm kind of leaning towards using this and selling my ZV-1. Yeah, this is your last one, and then we're all done. Oh, sorry, honey, you don't even get to bowl.
I was saying it's done.
Oh, sorry,
My
honey.
last one.
Giving you chocolate.
Trash? You giving me trash?
Well, I don't have trash in my can.
I don't have a trash can. Do you have a pocket? Yeah, you do. Keep it in your pocket. When we go to the store, you can throw it in the trash.